We all know that our kidneys are amazing organs. They work around the clock, filtering our blood and removing waste products. The National Kidney Foundation states that 1 in 3 adults are at risk for kidney disease. That's a staggering number. That's why taking care of our kidneys should be a top priority. One simple yet effective way to support your kidney health is through your diet. And guess what? You don't have to follow some crazy, restrictive diet to make a difference. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 delicious fruits that you can easily incorporate into your breakfast routine to give your kidneys a little extra love. We're talking about blueberries, cranberries, and watermelon. These fruits are like little superheroes for your kidneys. So, if you're ready to start your day with a kidney-friendly boost, stick around and let's dive into the juicy details. All right, let's start with the powerhouse of antioxidants, blueberries. These tiny fruits are not just delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. These little guys are packed with nutrients and are known for their vibrant blue color, which comes from a special plant compound called anthocyanin. This compound is what gives blueberries their unique hue and is also responsible for many of their health benefits. Anthocyanins are like the bodyguards of your cells, protecting them from damage caused by harmful free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and contributing to various diseases. And guess what? Free radicals can really do a number on your kidneys are essential for filtering waste and excess substances from your blood, and keeping them healthy is crucial for overall well-being. But that's not all. Blueberries are also low in potassium, which is great news for people with kidney problems. High potassium levels can be dangerous for those with kidney issues, as their kidneys may struggle to remove the excess potassium from the blood. You see, when kidneys aren't functioning at their best, they have a hard time removing excess potassium from the blood. This can lead to hyperkalemia, a condition characterized by dangerously high levels of potassium in the blood, which can affect heart function and overall health. And that's where blueberries come in. Being naturally low in potassium, they won't put extra stress on your kidneys. This makes them an excellent choice for a kidney friend. Blend them into a smoothie, creating a delicious and refreshing drink that's perfect for any time of the day. Blueberries blend well with other fruits and vegetables, making them a versatile ingredient for your smoothies. Or just grab a handful as a quick and easy snack. They're perfect for on the go, providing a healthy and satisfying option when you need a quick energy boost. I personally love adding a handful of blueberries to my Greek yogurt in the morning. It adds a burst of flavor and gives me that extra antioxidant boost to start my day right. Greek yogurt and blueberries make a perfect combination, offering a balance of protein, probiotics, and antioxidants. It's a simple yet nutritious way to kickstart your day. One time I was making my morning smoothie and I accidentally dropped the entire container of blueberries into the blender. I'm talking about a sea of blue. I decided to go with it, and you know what? It was the most delicious mistake ever. The smoothie was rich, vibrant, and packed with blueberry goodness. Sometimes the best recipes come from happy accidents. That smoothie turned out to be a delightful treat, and it became a new favorite in my morning routine. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Blueberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in so many different ways. Whether you add them to your breakfast, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack, these tiny but mighty detoxifiers will surely enhance your diet and support your health. You can also get creative and incorporate blueberries into your salads, desserts, and even savory dishes. Their sweet tart flavor pairs well with a variety of ingredients, making them a delightful addition to any meal. Next time you're at the farmer's market or grocery store, be sure to pick up some fresh blueberries. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a multitude of health benefits that make them a worthy addition to your diet. If you have a green thumb, consider growing your own blueberries. They can be grown in gardens or containers, and there's nothing quite like enjoying fresh, homegrown blueberries straight from the plant. So, whether you're enjoying them fresh, frozen, or in your favorite recipes, remember that these tiny but mighty detoxifiers are doing wonders for your health. Embrace the power of blueberries and let them be a staple in your diet. With their impressive nutritional profile and delicious taste, blueberries truly deserve their reputation as a superfood. So go ahead, indulge in these little blue gems and reap the benefits they have to offer. From protecting your cells to supporting kidney health, blueberries are a small but mighty addition to your diet. Enjoy them in all their forms and let their natural goodness enhance your well-being. Next up, we have the tart and tangy cranberry. This little berry packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. You've probably heard of cranberry juice being helpful for urinary tract infections, and there's a good reason for that. Cranberries contain a special compound called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. These compounds are the secret behind the cranberries' UTI-fighting abilities. PACs work their magic by preventing bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, including your kidneys. This means that bacteria are less likely to cause infections. This can help prevent those pesky UTIs and keep your kidneys happy and healthy. It's like giving your urinary tract a protective shield. But the benefits of cranberries don't stop there. These little berries are packed with even more goodness. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Vitamin C is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, cranberry juice can be super tart. And you're right, it can be quite a mouth-puckering experience. And you're right, it can be. But don't let that stop you from enjoying the benefits of cranberries. But don't worry, you don't have to force yourself to drink gallons of pure cranberry juice to reap its benefits. There are plenty of other ways to incorporate cranberries into your diet. You can find cranberry supplements in capsule form, which are a convenient and easy way to get your daily dose of PACs without the tart taste. Or you can simply add a handful of dried cranberries to your trail mix or oatmeal. They add a delightful burst of flavor and a touch of sweetness to your snacks and meals. I like to add a splash of cranberry juice to my water bottle for a refreshing and healthy drink throughout the day. It's a great way to stay hydrated and enjoy the benefits of cranberries. What's your favorite way to enjoy cranberries? Let me know in the comments below. Whether it's in juice form, as a supplement, or added to your favorite dishes, cranberries are a versatile and delicious way to support your urinary tract health. So go ahead, give them a try and see how they can benefit you. Chapter 3, the hydration hero. Last but not least, we have the king of hydration, watermelon. This fruit is not just a summer favorite, it's a powerhouse of hydration and nutrition. This juicy fruit is like a tall glass of water for your kidneys, thanks to its high water content. In fact, watermelon is composed of about 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits you can eat. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health because it helps flush out waste products and prevents dehydration, which can put a strain on your kidneys. When you consume watermelon, you're not just enjoying a tasty treat. You're also giving your kidneys a much-needed boost. But watermelon is much more than just water. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. It's also a good source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives watermelon its vibrant red color. Lycopene is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including kidney cancer. Studies have shown that a diet rich in lycopene can help lower the risk of developing cancer by protecting cells from damage. So, not only does watermelon quench your thirst, but it also provides some serious health benefits. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your body. Now let's talk about how to enjoy this delicious fruit. There are countless ways to incorporate watermelon into your diet, and each method offers a unique experience. Of course, you can always slice it up and enjoy it fresh, which is the simplest and most common way to eat watermelon. The sweet, juicy flesh is perfect for a quick snack or a refreshing addition to any meal. But don't be afraid to get creative. Watermelon can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies and even savory recipes. I once had a patient who swore by watermelon gazpacho, a cold Spanish soup made with blended watermelon, tomatoes, and cucumbers. This dish is not only refreshing, but also packed with nutrients. It sounded a little strange at first, but I tried it, and it was surprisingly refreshing and delicious. The combination of sweet and savory flavors creates a unique and satisfying dish. So there you have it, 3 amazing fruits that you can easily incorporate into your breakfast to support your kidney health. Watermelon, along with the other fruits we've discussed, can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. By adding these hydrating and nutritious fruits to your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards better kidney health and overall wellness. So go ahead and enjoy the delicious benefits of watermelon and other fruits every day. So there you have it, folks. 3 simple yet powerful fruits that can make a world of difference for your kidneys. Starting your day with blueberries, cranberries, or watermelon is like giving your kidneys a high five. Remember, a healthy diet is a key part of overall well-being, and these fruits are a delicious and convenient way to show your kidneys some love. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more healthy living advice. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite breakfast detox recipes in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make healthy choices. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those kidneys happy.